I never give up. I respect myself and others. I accept myself fully, mind, body, and soul. I move on from failures. I open to new opportunities. I speak and walk with confidence, poise, and grace.
Ever since Christina was born, my top priority was to make sure she was happy and healthy. I just wanted to make sure her environment was full of peace, health, and happiness.
I love my mom. She's the best mom ever.
We got involved with the AI Challenge at a resource center where Christina takes art and dance classes. The attraction was the science aspect of it. I want Christina to learn as much as possible.
We had lots of fun challenges and just had fun building them.
The AI challenges have empowered Christina and I because when you have a better understanding on how something works or on how to do something, it empowers you because you're more knowledgeable on it. In the class, we have to critically think. So if something doesn't work out the first time, you can go back and do it again. So you can apply that to life. You know, if something doesn't work out, you have to rethink it, find a solution. Being in the AI Family Challenge definitely prepares us for a future with AI and definitely takes away from those fears and maybe insecurities that you may have.
The most fun was the parallel processing machine. From that one, I also learned to sort things out.
Since we've started the AI Challenge, I definitely noticed that I'm more patient. We've learned to work together a little more critically. Technology definitely plays a huge role in our lives now, and I definitely see it playing even a bigger role in the future. The more we know about artificial intelligence, the more impact we can make on the community.
I'm excited about the future because I'm gonna go to college, get my dream job, and have a future husband and future kids. I am blessed. I am smart, and I am cute. I dare to dream. I will make a difference in my home, in my community, and in the world. Cool.